Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It's been a very long time since I have uploaded a video, so I'm back again with a Talbina recipe. I hope you guys will like it because I got lots of views on my earlier video of Talbina. I have listed down all the ingredients which I have used in this video. You can check that out, and also I have put a link to my Talbina powders recipe. You can check that out too. So to make this kheer, I soaked the rice, then let it dry and made it into a powder like this. There's no issue if the powder is not finely grinded. So next step is to grind half of our dry fruits. I will list the dry fruits which I have used in the description down below. Please check that out. You just have to make it into a fine powder. If there are any chunks left, no issue. It will give more crunch to the kheer and it will taste much better. So the next step is to boil our milk. Keep mixing it. It will prevent from burning. Talbina has high carbohydrate composition and zinc content, which is good for your hair and skin. I'm going to put some open cardamom so that it gives a good aroma. If you want to know more benefits of Talbina in detail, you can just click the link in the description box below. Now I'm gonna dilute the rice powder with some water so that when I add it in milk, it shouldn't be lumpy. Once it's diluted completely, I'm going to add it little by little in the milk and keep mixing it. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that Talbina soothes the heart of a patient and relieves him from some of his sadness. Next, I added sugar and I am mixing vigorously. If you don't want to add sugar, you can skip it and you can add jaggery, honey, mishri, anything you like. You can switch to healthy options. Now I'm gonna add some of the dry fruit powder and I'm gonna let it boil like this. It should simmer and the milk should get a little thicker so that the kheer will be dense and tasty. Talbina has the potential to reduce depression and enhance mood, and when consumed in the form of kheer, which will give many people happiness, because who doesn't like dessert? Our Talbina kheer is ready. You can now pour the kheer in a serving dish. Talbina is good for hair, skin, better eyesight, and it also increases immunity. To garnish, I'm going to use the powdered dry fruits, and some of the leftover dry fruits I have kept aside for the garnish. Our Talbina kheer is ready. Just look at it. My mouth is watering while recording this. This was the tastiest kheer, like legit tastiest kheer I've ever had. If you are a dry fruit lover like me, you should definitely try this recipe and you will never go back to the regular kheer recipe ever, I guarantee. So now to garnish it finally, I'm going to use this silver leaf to give it a more attractive look. If you don't have this at home, no worries, you can dive right into the bowl. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. Till then, take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.